Hi everyone, welcome back to Chels Treasures. Our fun karaoke afternoon for Lizelle's birthday came with an unexpected treat because it was Chinese New Year. And just outside the newly renovated Trip Lounge and Karaoke in Ozamiz, we got to witness a dragon dance. The dragon dance is one of the most iconic traditions during Chinese New Year celebrations. It's not just for entertainment. This dance has deep roots in Chinese culture. The dragon, a symbol of power, strength, and good fortune, is believed to drive away evil spirits and bring blessings for the year ahead. Each movement of the dragon is meant to mimic how this legendary creature moves through the sky or water. The loud drums and gongs are meant to scare off negative energy and bad luck, making space for prosperity and joy. And that's it for today's vlog. Life has a way of turning ordinary days into unforgettable memories. So keep showing up, keep celebrating, and keep finding joy in the simple things. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Chels Treasures. Bye!